Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on removing duplicate entries from data cell. Here I have an Excel sheet with multiple columns and more than 1400 entries. Here I can go through and show you how many entries I have. So I have 1409, 91 entries, but we can also see that there are a lot of duplicate entries. For example, the first and second, they seem like duplicate, but they are not actually because the first one ends here, and then the second one has some Chinese text after the end of this one. However, the third and fourth, they are repetitive, and there are other repetitive cases here. I have seen a lot of people going through it manually and deleting it, such as clicking here, and then clicking on delete, and then selecting the entire row option to delete the selected row, and then pressing OK. That will remove the selected row, but you have to do it for every entry. And if you have an entry like this one, where we have more than 1,000 of entries, it takes so much time to do. There's an easy way to go about it in Microsoft Excel. So you can click anywhere in the sheet and do Control and A, which basically selects the entire Excel sheet. And then you can go into Data tab in your Excel. And there, if you hover over the sections, there is a section called as Remove Duplicates. So you just press Remove Duplicates, and it pops up a dialog box. You have to make sure that your data has headers is checked on. If you have a header such as author names, title, I have header in my example. And then you want to select the columns which we are going to check for. For example, I'm checking for the duplicates in title only. So I'll just select title and deselect everything else. And if I press OK, it automatically deletes the duplicates. So this has deleted 501 duplicate values, but you have to make sure that you are taking into consideration of the empty cells and spaces, because sometimes they look similar, but they're exactly not similar. For example, as I mentioned earlier, the first and second entry, and they look duplicate, but they are not because they have additional text for the second one. So just make sure, even if you duplicate using the duplicate options, remove duplicate options here, make sure that you go through each of them manually and see if there are any more duplicates or not. But yeah, this is the shortcut trip. Go to data and then go to remove duplicates and select whatever you want to duplicate, and this should do the job. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in next video.